Hello and welcome back to the Easy Sculpting channel. Today I am going to make a small teddy bear, like this. You can do whatever you want with it. Make it to a keychain by making a hole in here, or cut the back and glue a small needle into it and you can have a brooch. It's up to you. It's really easy to do, so just follow my video and please subscribe if you like it. Let's do it. I use brown, yellow, light brown, black and white. Let's start with the body. You need the yellow. Cut a piece and roll it to a ball. Squeeze a little bit so you get this drop shape. This is going to be the body. Now let's make the hands. You need brown for the hands and yellow for the arms. Cut 2 small pieces of brown and 2 small pieces of yellow. And then just put them together and roll them into small tubes. Try to get them the same size. Now the head. Roll a small brown ball. The light brown is for the nose and the ears. Squeeze the nose gently to the head so it doesn't lose the shape. Then it's time for the ears. You need to cut 2 exactly the same sized ears, roll them into balls and attach them to the head. Squeeze a little bit on the body and then you place the head on and roll with your finger to get it to stick together. Don't push too hard. Let's attach the hands. The best way to make the legs is to use 1 big piece, squeeze with your fingers to get the feet, then you just bend it and place the body on top of it. Adjust the legs so it looks good. Now we need a black nose and 2 small dots for the eyes. Put the nose on the light brown and then the eyes on the darker brown. And we are almost done. Now with your knife, make a small mouth. And then you can squeeze the ears so they attach to the head better. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.